Tell us everything we need to know about IVK.
My sister, we can't find her.
We're literally dying with worry.
She's my special baby.
She was burning the candle at both ends.
Ivy, you need a vacation.
We want to help you guys. It's what we do. This photo was taken yesterday at the IKEA Burbank store.
I knew it.
Don't worry, Ivy. I'll find you. When Ryan and Shane showed us the photo of Ivy sneaking around, I was sick. Sick with worry.
Oh, we both were. I couldn't sleep. I was starting to feel a bit worn down.
Yeah, we all noticed.
We both looked worn down.
Okay, well, just a little around the eyes.
Anyways, we decided that if we were really gonna find Ivy, we would have to do this ourselves. So we went to the only reasonable place to begin our journey, the site the photo was taken. So we went to that IKEA and we waited. Just waited.
So long. It was so difficult just waiting in the car like that. I mean, I have a bit of an interior design hobby, and I was seeing all kinds of things that I needed to come out of the market hall.
But we stayed in the car and we staked out our location. We didn't shop. It was hard, but we persevered.
Yeah.
We did it for my sister.
Anyhow, after 7 excruciating minutes, we spotted someone. I mean, this lady was definitely suspect, right? She was all sneaky. She kept looking back at us.
Oh yeah, my blood was pumping. I thought, we're about to find my sister.
And so I said, hey, you, where's Ivy?
Well, she had no idea what we were talking about.
Nope, not even a little bit.
We had a little bit of a speed bump.
Yeah. We were about to leave.
But then I saw something.
You guys aren't gonna use my real name, right? And my face will be blurred?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, great. I was hired as a private investigator to find Ivy by her parents. I spent the day retracing her steps, which is why I was at IKEA. It appears they forgot to tell me that Ivy has a sister who looks a lot like her, so I spent the whole day following the wrong woman. But it's okay because contractually I still get paid.
I trust Levi and Carly, but their methods are a little unorthodox. So I hired a professional.
It just totally slipped our minds to mention it to the group.
Yeah, it was weird though because I noticed something in Molly. The PI, you know, in her car. That name sounded familiar. Okay, I recognized the word. Ivy kept speaking in weird languages right before she vanished, and this was one of the Swedish sounding words she kept repeating.
And we didn't have time to process all of this before both of our phones went off, and when we saw that video, our jaws dropped.
Hey guys, it's Ivy. I'm so sorry I've been MIA, but it's only because I've been working on this very special project that has honestly upgraded and boosted my entire life. Stay tuned for more.
It was crazy because it was Ivy, you know, but it wasn't. She looked so alive and happy and wherever she was.
It was gorgeous.
Oh, yeah.
It was like a peaceful retreat. And we were a little confused still because she could be anywhere.
Oh yeah, like she could have been at a meditative resort in the hills of Malibu or at a Moroccan sweat lodge.
But then I heard it.
Stay tuned for more.
And I had to listen to her story like a million times. But then I distinctly heard the sound of the seagulls squawking and the ocean in the background. Like the quack. No, it's definitely quack.
Oh, I think it's more like.
I knew exactly where she was.
We got a call from Levi saying there's a new video of Ivy. We panicked. I said, what is the story and how do I read it?
Luckily, I'm a little more with the time, so I was able to follow what Levi was saying. When he mentioned he heard the seagulls, I knew where she was too.
I said, Levi, spare no expense, just find our daughter.
Turns out it was 15 minutes away, so we only had to reimburse for the gas.
But I would have spent more.
No, it wasn't that expensive.
Oh, yeah, no, it became obvious to all of us. She was at her very own apartment. She lives next to a seagull sanctuary.
Yep. It was my idea. I was like, let's pull up on her, and then we pulled up, and the blinds were still drawn as if nobody was home. And that's when I got a little concerned that like maybe she was being held captive in there or something.
Oh, sure, like maybe not a great situation, so I just screamed, Ivy, open up, we know you're in there.
You were so forceful and magnificent.
Oh, you were. No, I saw you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Anyhow, our adrenaline was off the charts. I honestly thought I was gonna have to use some of my old karate moves from my training, but then...
What are you doing here?
Ivy! We haven't seen you in days.
What? I've been gone for 2 days. Okay.
You would think we'd be a little more relieved to find her, right? And we were, yeah. But there was just something a little different about Ivy.
Oh, yeah. But there was something different about this.
Ivy.
Ivy.
2.0.
The
Ivy.
3.5, honey.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it was up there.
Ivy had upgraded. Yeah, we found her. Yeah.
If this hadn't happened to me, I don't know if I'd believe it. I had been having so much trouble sleeping. And before I knew it, I had developed a pretty serious caffeine habit. I went to IKEA to check it out. And what I saw blew my mind. I guess I just got lost in it.